Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to set up an alarm for your Samsung Galaxy or on your Samsung Galaxy A13. To set up your alarm, it's pretty easy. We swipe up and then we go to the clock, because within this clock you have the alarm, and you can see at this moment all alarms are off. But we can see here an example. So we have an alarm that goes on 6 a.m. and it's on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, but not on Saturday and Sunday. If I want to edit it, I just click on it and then it will open, and then you can also see, okay, I can change the hour, I can change the minutes. So pretty easily, and I can change the days on which this alarm clock should start. I could also set it up only for certain days, and then I can also set it up with the alarm sound, a vibration, and to set up the snooze. So I can say the snooze interval is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and how many times it should repeat. And when I'm ready, I can click on save, and now it's active. So, okay, now set up a new one for Saturdays and Sundays. On these days, I don't have to work, so I'll say I'll sleep till 11 a.m. It's only Saturday and Sunday, and I'll make another sound. Perhaps not homecoming. I'll say allow, and I'll say interstellar. Okay, I want to start with interstellar. Everything's great. My Saturday will start with interstellar, and then I will save it, and you can see now my whole week has been planned with my alarm clock. So Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays on 6 a.m. and Saturdays on Sundays on 11 a.m. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. We'll see us the next time. Bye bye.